EFF leader Julius Malema has intensified calls for the Democratic Alliance to exit the Government of National Unity, suggesting that the economic freedom fighters are ready to step into the political vacuum should the DA part ways with the ruling coalition. Malema's latest comments follow growing friction between the DA and President Cyril Ramaphosa after the latter dismissed DA member Andrew Whitfield from his role as a Deputy Minister of Trade and Industry. The DA has accused Ramaphosa of shielding corrupt ANC ministers while targeting its own members, threatening to withdraw from the national dialogue in protest. For Malema, the DA's ultimatum is a chance for the EFF to make its long-anticipated move into the government, and that if the DA was truly anti-corruption and pro-poor, they should have allowed the ANC to govern as a minority. Nothing forced them into this coalition. They should have remained outside, held the ANC accountable, and opposed them from the start. Malema took aim at what he called the DA's hypocrisy, criticizing the ANC while being part of its administration, and said you cannot oppose a government you are part of. Whatever decisions President Ramaphosa takes, they are part of them. This is their mess too. He also stressed the importance of respecting government protocols and the authority of the president, and said, there is a president here, whether they like it or not. They voted for him and must respect the office. If they can't, they should step aside and allow the ANC to govern on its own. Citing the DA's apparent autonomy in Gauteng where the ANC governs without them, Malema said the party should apply the same principle nationally, and said they travel overseas without presidential permission. What kind of government is that? That's not order, that's anarchy. Malema did not mince words about the EFF's readiness to join the Government of National Unity should the coalition fracture, and said we are patiently waiting for the DA to leave the GNU so that we can participate in government. When they start fighting with Helen Zille, Siyangena, we are entering. Political analyst Dr. John Malebo said the EFF's avatars carry weight and could have real implication for the stability of the Government of National Unity, and said the DA's ultimatum has already shaken the foundations of the coalition. Malema's statements are likely to further inflame tensions within the unity government. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.